Hello my art lovers, I am Poonam and welcome to my channel. Every Thursday I upload new art, craft and home decor related videos. To explore more creativity, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon. On this wall painting video, I have received many comments to create DIY of this birdhouse. So in today's video, we are making birdhouse using cardboard. So let's get started.
For more such creative ideas. Do you like this video? If yes, then do subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon. Also tell me in comment section what did you like. From this grateful heart, I am really grateful to you for watching my video. See you in my next DIY video. Till then, take care. Bye.